Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. You're probably very familiar with the most common ways that we ask each other how we are in English. People will often say things like, "Hey, you're right, how you doing? Hey, hiya, how are things? Hey, how's it going?" Or maybe, "Hi, hello, how are you?" And there's a common myth that we always answer these questions in a limited number of very predictable ways. People often assume that we just say, "Fine, thanks, and you?" Or maybe, if we're not doing particularly brilliantly, we might say, "Yeah, not too bad, thanks. Yourself?" Sometimes, perhaps, you might hear things like, "Can't complain. Mustn't grumble." However, this morning I popped out down the shops and on my way back I ran into a neighbour of mine and stopped and said, "Hey, you're right, how you doing?" To which my neighbour replied by saying, or rather by asking, "How long have you got?" When somebody asks this question, it basically means they've got a few problems they want to tell you about, or they've got something they want to get off their chests and share with you, and they're checking whether you've got time to stop and listen to this. So the conversation we basically had went, "Hey, how are you? How you doing? How long have you got? Oh no, shit, really? What's up? What happened?" And then my neighbour proceeded to tell me about all of the problems she's been having this week. You might also use or hear this question in contexts like this. Maybe, your daughter goes to a party, comes back from the party and you say, "Hey, how was the party?" "Oh, dreadful." "Oh no, shit, really? What happened?" "Oh, how long have you got?" "Go on, tell me what happened. Go on, I've got time, I can listen." And then probably you'll get the long, detailed explanation of exactly what the problem was. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of conversations where you might use "How long have you got?"